In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app that's already on your OnePlus and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, before continuing, make sure to click on those three dots at the top right corner here and hit Settings to manage those under Alarms however you want to. Like for example, Notify before ringing. When you're done, go back and tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new alarm. Begin by setting up an hour at the top. Now decide if you want for your alarm to ring once, if you want to pick weekdays. Here there is this fun thing that you can click on all of those and adjust them however you need. Select Scramble. Here is all of the instructions how to do that. Or pick my favorite, which is Custom. Here just tap on the days of the week manually. Wherever you decided, once you're done, tap on Alarm Name and name it. Then hit Ringtone. Choose Allow if you never used this option before. And tap on one of those options. Select the default or none. Tap on one of those system ones and pick the best ringtone for you. Choose Spotify to log in and use music from it. Hit Weather. This is weather adaptive, so if you will pick it, your ringtone will change depending on the weather. Or on this device, which allows you to pick any song from your smartphone and set it up by clicking on it. Then hit Vibrate. Pick one of those patterns. Synchronize vibrations with ringtone. Or tap on No Vibration to disable it. Go back, hit Snooze, switch it off or turn it on at the top, and if you decided to enable it, pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back and to save your brand new alarm, don't do that. I just deleted mine. Click on Done at the top right corner. And as you can see, this time mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and hit Done. To get rid of it, you need to hold it and choose Delete at the bottom. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!